The all-new DJI Mavic 3 Pro Triple Lens Camera Drone. The DJI Mavic 3 series features next-level performance. Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera system ushers in a new era of camera drones by housing 3 sensors and lenses with different focal lengths. Equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual telecameras, Mavic 3 Pro is a triple camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom further, capture fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces. Inheriting the 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera of the Mavic 3 series, Mavic 3 Pro is the next step for professional creation. The Hasselblad camera supports shooting 12-bit RAW photos with a native dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, presenting unforgettable image details. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, accurately restores the colors the human eye perceives, getting impressive shots without the need for heavy post-production or complex color presets. Professional Video Specification 5, 1K/50 FPS, 4K/120 FEPs, 10-bit D-Log HLG night shots, hyperlapse. The new 10-bit D-Log M color mode supports recording up to 1 billion colors. Even in high-contrast scenarios like sunrises and sunsets, it delivers natural color gradations with delicate details for a full-spectrum visual experience. In addition, D-Log M mode reduces the difficulty of color grading, allowing you to fully enjoy efficient post-production without losing image quality or clarity. Mavic 3 Pro Sign provides extensive options for professional creators. All 3 cameras support Apple ProRes 422 HQ, ProRes 422, ProRes 422 LT encoding. It also has a built-in 1 TB SSD5 and a 10 Gbps Lightspeed data cable to facilitate professional creation further. Apple ProRes Codec, 1 TB SSD internal storage, 70mm medium telecamera, dynamic framing. The medium telecamera suits various themes and scenarios. It compresses the depth of field and focus to highlight the subject and create a robust visual center of gravity, giving camera movement a unique sense of space. Additionally, the medium telecamera supports night shots, presenting brilliant nighttime scenes at a 70mm focal length. Just focus on inspiration and let Mavic 3 Pro perform a concerto of light and shadow before your eyes. 166mm telecamera. Go with zoom. The upgraded telecamera features higher resolution and a wider f3, 4 aperture. It supports shooting 4K/60 FPS video with 7x optical zoom and 12MP photos. 4K/60 FAEs, telephoto creativity unleashed. The upgraded telecamera features higher resolution and a wider f3, 4 aperture. It supports shooting 4K/60 FPS video with 7x optical zoom and 12MP photos. The hybrid zoom reaches up to 28x. Zoom in and immerse yourself in rich image details. The telecamera also supports HLG and 10-bit D-Log M color modes, enabling greater flexibility in post-production. Extended flight time. Mavic 3 Pro provides up to 43 minutes of flight time, giving you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level. Execute every step, from flight route planning to shot composition, all during a single flight. 43 mains flight time omnidirectional obstacle. Sensing and APAS 5.0 Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 wide-angle vision sensors work seamlessly with a high-performance vision computing engine to precisely sense obstacles in all directions and plan a safe flight route to avoid them. Vision Assist, aerial creation with enhanced safety. Take your aerial creation to the next level with multi-directional visual assistance, front, back, left, and right. A simple tap on the screen swaps your view, helping you anticipate obstacles in every direction during your flight. This heightened awareness empowers you to chart a safer, more efficient course. Identify potential obstacles seamlessly in the operation interface and navigate confidently with intuitive controls. For camera movements like circling or pulling away, the lateral and backward visual assistance helps you gauge the spatial distances to the left, right, and back. You can also maintain a forward view, even during high-angle shots. The Vision Assist videos in this section were shot with DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The content displayed on the operation interface differs slightly from that of DJI Mavic 3 and DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Please refer to the actual experience. Flagship video transmission. DJI O3 Plus features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers, with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. It can transmit a 1080p/60 fps HD live feed, which makes Mavic 3 Pro more responsive to your control and gives you a more vibrant video feed on your monitor. 1080p at 60 fps, HD live feed at 15 kilometers video transmission distance automatic flight experience waypoint flight. Mavic 3 Pro automatically plans a flight route based on the user's preset waypoints and can precisely repeat routes. Cruise control. Set Mavic 3 Pro to fly in any direction without continually pressing the control sticks. This makes long-distance flight effortless and helps reduce shaking during manual control for smoother camera movement. Advance RTH or return to home. Always end on a high note with advanced return to home, RTH. This auto-return function can automatically determine a safe and efficient flight route back to the home point. Combining the advantages of advanced RTH and traditional RTH, the aircraft can easily bypass obstacles on the RTH route. The new AR RTH route function can display the home point and flight route on the operation interface to present more direct visual information for users. The Hasselblad camera and the 70mm medium telecamera of Mavic 3 Pro support focus track, which includes active track 5.0, spotlight, and point of interest, enabling stable tracking shots in multiple directions. Focus track, the Hasselblad camera and the 70mm medium telecamera of Mavic 3 Pro support. Focus track, which includes active track 5.0, spotlight, and point of interest, enabling stable tracking shots in multiple directions. Master shots. Tap to enable master shots, and Mavic 3 Pro will automatically shoot, edit, add soundtracks, and generate cinematic footage afterward. Quick shots. Quick shots empowers Mavic 3 Pro to perform diverse camera movements like drone, rocket, circle, and helix. Panorama. Mavic 3 Pro can directly compose a 100MP lossless panorama photo to capture a more breathtaking landscape. High-speed quick transfer. Quickly transfer photos and videos to your smartphone without linking the remote controller. LightCut Connect Mavic 3 Pro wirelessly to the LightCut app on your phone for quick previewing of clips and AI-based one-tap edit without downloading the footage, saving storage on your phone. Try templates made especially for master shots and effortlessly create amazing aerial videos that impress and awe. Diverse accessories, stunning flight, DJI RC Pro. DJI RC Pro is an unmatched option for professional creation with a 1000-nit display, a high-performance processor, and 15-kilometer video transmission support. DJI Mavic 3 Pro wide-angle lens, compatible with the Mavic 3 Pro Hasselblad camera to deliver a 108-degree super-wide FOV and capture more in every frame. DJI Mavic 3 Series 100W battery charging hub. When connected to the DJI 100 USB-C power adapter, the battery charging hub can charge 3 batteries sequentially for enhanced efficiency. DJI Mavic 3 Pro ND filters set. The set provides ND8x163264 filters, allowing you to create footage and images at slower shutter speeds. DJI Mavic 3 Series Intelligent Flight Battery provides Mavic 3 Pro with up to 43 minutes of flight time. DJI Goggles Integra Motion Combo. Experience immersive FPV. When you use DJI goggles along with the DJI RC Motion 2, enjoy true-to-life colors, accurate details, and motion controls that make flying captivating. DJI 65W Car Charger. The car charger is lightweight and portable and uses a universal port. It can charge the battery, remote controller, smartphone, laptop, and other devices. Takeoff weight Mavic 3 Pro 958G Mavic 3 Pro Scene 963G dimensions folded, without propellers 231. Height is 95 4 mm LX WBH, unfolded, without propellers 347 50290 80107 7 mm LXWXH, max ascent, speed 8 m per s max descent, speed 6 m per s max horizontal speed, at sea level, no wind, max takeoff altitude 6,000 m max flight time 43 minutes, measured in a controlled test environment. Specific test conditions are as follows. Flying at a constant speed of 32.4 kph in a windless environment at sea level, with APAS off, air sense off, camera parameters set to 1080p/24 fps, video mode off, and from 100% battery level until 0%. Results may vary depending on the environment, actual use, and firmware version. Max hovering time 37 minutes, measured in a controlled test environment. Specific test conditions are as follows. Hovering in a windless environment at sea level, with APS off, air sense off, camera parameters set to 1080p/24 fps, video mode off, and from 100% battery level until 0%. Results may vary depending on the environment, actual use, and firmware version. Max flight distance 28 kilometers, max wind speed resistance 12 m per s.